ultra-processed foods make you gain fat without extra calories? So a new study just got published in Cell, and for example, the hot takes on social media have been something like why ultra-processed diets make you gain weight without excess calories. I'm going to tell you that this study does not support those claims, and when you actually comb through the raw data, it tells a much less sexy story. So they were looking at people consuming ultra-processed diets versus unprocessed diets. So this is what we call crossover design. So they did 3 weeks of either diet, followed by a 12-week washout period, and then 3 weeks of the other diet. They randomized the order. They had people consuming adequate calories or excess calories. And for excess, they simply added 500 calories on top. What were the meaningful results? So when it comes to changes in body weight, none of the groups gained significant body weight. So this headline of ultra-processed diets make you gain weight or gain body fat without an increase in calories, this is false. The unprocessed adequate dietary group lost 1.3 kilograms over 3 weeks. The unprocessed excess group, so plus 500 calories, lost a kilogram over 3 weeks. So this is already kind of weird, okay? But okay, maybe this unprocessed diet does something with weight loss. In the ultra-processed diet, the adequate diet gained 0.05 kilograms. It was not statistically significant. So they maintained their body weight. The excess group gained a non-significant 0.2 kilograms. So no, they didn't gain weight. They didn't gain fat. And this is with increasing their calorie intake 500 calories above their maintenance with a primarily ultra-processed diet. This doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Then if we look at actual changes in fat mass, the unprocessed adequate group lost about 1.1 kilograms of fat mass over 3 weeks, and the excess group lost 0.8 kilograms of fat mass. And this wasn't statistically different, I don't believe, between these two numbers. The ultra-processed diet adequate lost basically 0.1 kilograms. The ultra-processed diet at maintenance lost a non-significant 0.1 kilograms of fat mass. And the ultra-processed diet excess gained a non-significant 0.1 kilogram excess. Now, when I looked at the calories that they did not consume, it appears that the unprocessed diet fell short of consuming all of the calories provided by about 200 calories compared to the ultra-processed diet. The simplest answer is probably true, which is the people consuming the unprocessed or minimally processed diets simply ate less calories because they were more satiated. The headlines and social media hot takes are wrong and not supported by the actual freaking data.